Hey, what's up guys? Ryan here. Making this video while riding my bicycle. Heading to the gym right now. But funny story, I actually just got pulled over while riding my bicycle. And since I've been commuting on my bike for over a year now, that would make it a first to get pulled over on my bike. I was actually pulled over for doing a track stand, aka balancing at a stoplight, and I just kind of had to laugh because I thought it was fucking ridiculous. But the cop proceeded to tell me it was careless driving because I am operating a motor vehicle. So I guess he would frown upon me running that stop sign back there too, as well as making a YouTube video while riding my bike. But anyways, I thought it was funny that track standing on fixed gear is considered careless driving. For those of you fixed gear riders out there, be careful. So talk to you guys later before I get hit by a car. Deuces.